Welcome back. Today, my wife built her very first gaming PC, and as you can see, it went perfectly.
There's 2 match pens.
Don't ever push down on it. I can tell. Okay, we had a few hiccups along the way, but honestly, it was a lot of fun.
I actually scored some great deals too.
Like a 3070 for $200.
I have definitely picked up a thing or two about saving money in the used market.
And speaking of saving money, let me show you another way you can do that, thanks to today's sponsor. Love is simple, until Windows gets in the way. You're finally in the moment, but all you can see is the watermark. Don't let unactivated Windows ruin your PC or your date night. That's why I use Keysfan, a reliable platform for purchasing genuine and affordable OEM software keys. These fully functional licenses are ideal for PC builders or upgraders and are much cheaper than those found on retail or similar websites. They offer genuine software keys at affordable prices with instant email delivery, lifetime support, and guaranteed updates to keep your system secure and up to date. Just go to keysfan.com or click on the link below. Add Windows 11 Pro to your cart and use code FPS52 for 52% off. That brings it down to just $14. Want Office 2? Use code FPS62 for 62% off Microsoft Office 2021. Or grab Windows plus Office bundle for just $46. After you purchase the key, just copy paste it into the activate screen. Activate Windows, save a marriage. You know what to do next, right?
Okay, so we're actually building it right now.
Yeah, we're actually building it right now. Okay, so here is your CPU. Although I'm not supposed to help you. You're supposed to figure this out. If you need help, you have to ask for it.
Okay, so I just put this in the thing.
In the thing? Yes, in the thing.
Okay, but I flipped this thing up first.
Mm-hmm.
Is it like gonna click or anything?
No. There will be arrows though, so just make sure that you're careful with this part. Don't ever push it in. Just make sure it kind of like let gravity sink it in. Just make sure it's placed properly. But if you look, there's generally a spot that'll show. Turn it around. So you have a little arrow that's partially missing, but see there's a little tiny silver arrow.
Oh, okay.
Really smooth. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous.
Just gonna set it down, that's fine.
Is that it?
I don't know, you wanna kind of wiggle it, and if it wiggles and it doesn't wanna budge, then you're probably good.
Okay.
It just doesn't feel like you're good though, hold on. Because if there's a bent pen or something that could make it not wanna sit properly. Do you think it's because of that weird thing on the pen?
It might be.
Because that's the side it's not wanting to sit down on.
Maybe we need a wire brush.
Think about what you just said, dude. Hello.
No, I think it's the pins that are bent that are stopping it, because that one right there is bent in. Oh, the pin over here looks like it's kind of bent in on this side too. There's 2 match pins.
Well, we try to unbend it then.
Oh, look at this pin right here. That one looks like it's bent in. Okay, let me work on the bottom pin, because I seen where it was bent in.
Right there, yeah. Just,
2 hours later.
And she just got done bending or straightening 3 different pins or something. Was it 3 pins?
Like 3 or 4.
All right, so it wouldn't fit, we had to cut. We had some pins bent. She fixed them, never done it before. And we test set it in there to make sure it fit and it dropped in. So now we're back again.
And this time, it just drops
And
right
this
in.
time it actually fits. Don't ever push down on it. And you should be good. So now you should be able to just bend that back down. Hopefully nothing breaks. You should be good. All right.
Oh, and then I can do the little thing, this thing.
The SSD.
SSD.
Yes.
Okay. And then these go in.
They only go in one way. So.
Do I have to like push anything on these too?
And then, should I put both of them in before I pop it?
It doesn't matter. You can do it one at a time. All right. Sounds like it snapped in all the way. There you
That
go.
always feels so wrong doing.
Next. All right.
The SSD.
The SSD.
I need the screwdriver thing.
The screwdriver thingy. There you go.
Ooh, that magnet
Didn't really magnet for me. Okay, I've never opened a box before apparently.
Yeah, looks that way.
Why am I like, oh, I think, what am I doing wrong?
Just keep working it, you'll figure it out.
You're making fun of me. Am I Why am I tripping so hard on this?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
That's exactly what you need.
Oh, just this thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in the Intel installation, aren't you? Did you even pay attention to that?
I just
Opened it?
one was in a language I could read and one wasn't. I don't know.
Yeah, it's for Intel. You only this either.
Alright then. That makes it.
Okay.
Hold
You
on.
want me to just tell you?
Okay, yeah.
I feel that's ruining it. But so you're gonna take these off and pull this piece out, okay? But don't lift the motherboard up because there's a plate on the back, and if you lift the motherboard up, that plate will fall off, right? Because you're unscrewing what it's attached to. Anyway, you need these pink things.
Okay, and then these go like this.
After you put the pink things on, then you worry about those.
Oh. Is there like a specific
No, it
way?
just doesn't matter. Just
Okay.
put them on.
Damn.
No.
Oh, it matches my board. Like kind of, anyway. I want to tighten this all the way down.
Yes. We have that installed, so we're pretty much ready to go into the case. How about it? So before you actually install it, you have to put your IO shield in first. Here.
It doesn't like click or anything.
It does click, it'll snap in. You want to push in the corners and they'll like snap in.
Okay, I think it clicked.
You think?
I think so. Oops. Let's try that one more time.
All right, now install your motherboard.
I think it's in there. It just needs the screws now. And they're just going all of the little things inside.
Yep, that makes this part a little harder, but you'll figure it out. Here, you can actually use the other screwdrivers. They probably have a better magnet on them. Well, stand it up and
Make sure it doesn't fall out.
well, so the camera sees an installed thing. Like, okay, so what do you think is next?
I think it's gonna be the AIO.
Um,
Or the battery.
For the battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, the battery.
Why the battery first though?
You mean the power supply?
Yeah. Yeah, that.
The battery. We'll put the battery into the PC.
Okay.
Okay, fan out. Problem is your HD audio has to go here. So imagine there's a big old power supply sitting here and you have to stick a wire in there.
That's gonna suck.
I was not happy about it, I can tell you that. Should we just unplug all our fans and stuff right now, or do you want to keep them plugged in?
I don't know. It's you're helping me, right?
Why, you're worried about it? Well, they're already kind of pre-plugged in, which is kind of nice, right? And then let's just plug that in right now. So this is your HD audio, okay? So if you look, these are all the cables and here's the port, so you kind of understand what they are, right? So these ones are all those tiny little ones, and that's your power button and stuff like that, right? And this other one right here, this is for your USBs to work. And unfortunately, B450s don't have USB-C ports, so this won't work.
I have a USB-C port on there, I think.
I'm almost positive you don't, but we'll find out.
It's right here.
What are you talking about? The USB-C?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the header, like to plug this in so that this works. You need a special header. Look at, I'll show you.
Could we unplug the thing?
This
for that
guy
one?
right
I mean,
here.
I guess it doesn't really matter.
What do you mean? That's built into the motherboard. You're not unplugging anything. Yeah. So, it's fine. Okay, so anyways, let's go back down. Oh yeah, so we're gonna plug that in. So I was just showing you where, what we were doing. So the HD audio is your mic jack and stuff like that, right? And it goes on the bottom left. You see how it's missing a pin right here, right? And then look at, if you look here, you're missing one, see?
Yeah.
So you're putting it in like that. So that was just a really annoying cord to route after the power supply was in, okay? So now let's install the power supply. How about it? So remember, the fan you want out. Easy. All right, now you got all the cords. Now plug it all in.
Oh my gosh, So you got extensions for the,
That's right.
and these hide back here, right?
Yes.
These don't even get seen.
Correct.
Okay.
What are you doing? Okay, so these are your SATA connections, okay? This is what would power that old SSD. And then this is your main 24 pin, okay? And this powers your motherboard. This is more SATA connections and stuff. We don't need all that. And then this is for your graphics card, right? So we obviously need those. This is, so this should be your CPU because you already had it out, yeah. So and then here's your CPU. And realistically, that's all we're gonna need. Right, there. That is out of sight, out of mind. Okay, generally what I do is I'll do the case plugins first, okay? So we're gonna do all of these guys and get them out of our hair, okay? So they're actually pretty easy. So look at, you have your power switch, power LED, plus and minus, okay? So all we're plugging in for the case is this, right? And I don't even think you can do this, this is your USB-C. So real quick, let's plug the cable extensions into these, right? So our 3 main cords.
Okay.
Make sure there's no gap ever in the plugins, right? So then there's that one. The CPU we can plug in. Actually, you need to be doing it, don't you? So you know the CPU goes up there, so you're gonna route up to the top, but yeah, exactly. Start thinking about where all your wires are gonna be. Well, don't worry about cable management now. Just get it where it belongs. Like plug that in. Stop doing that. Just keep it out, yeah. And make sure it's fully, no gap in between. So yeah, slide those all the way down just to get them out of your way.
I feel like I'm forcing it too much.
No, you need to keep going. Push. Oh. Like hold things still when you're pushing things.
I think it went on there.
So it plugs in right there. So we're gonna want this to go through the bottom. There has to be a bent pin. It wants to go on the top and not the bottom.
I don't know. That bottom one is bent now though.
Is it?
So I just did that.
This is bottom side. That's definitely not working.
And that one bent down again. Like these ones on the bottom are all bent down.
The ones I could tell. But see what I mean? This needs to be like this. And now you have it fed. Like now look at what happens when you twist it to go the right way. See, it puts a fat twist on it. See, this one's perfect, exactly. Perfect. Here you go. You got this. Yeah, and you usually try to make it as tight as you can. So now is the power cables, the power button. Where are those at? It's these guys right here, I think. Okay, so they plug in to this header right here, okay? And then how it works is the power button plus, I believe, goes on the first one. So what you do is you look at a diagram, right? If you didn't know. And then the negative goes on the next one. And the power switch is the next 2, I believe. That is all of these front panel connectors.
Okay.
So, do you know what to do now? You pretty much only have, aside from hooking all the fans up, you really only have 2 things left.
AIO.
Yes. Right, okay, so go to AIO. Okay, here you go. Install it. Okay, so
Yours are always this way.
yeah, some people don't. Like if you look at the box, they have it the other way. It's just the fans, the cords are already over here, right? So it makes sense to go, or just fell. Let's install the cables first before things get silly, because that's the part that's gonna get annoying really quickly. Hello, it's typically up top of the motherboard. So this is your CPU fan, yeah. So this guy right here is gonna go into that. Okay, perfect. It's time to put thermal paste and put this thing on. Here's your thermal paste. What I like to do is the spatula method and wipe it on. So that's what I recommend you do. But that paste is not spatula friendly and you will find out really quickly. It's really hard to push on.
It's not very friendly like you're saying.
Yeah, it's thick as shit. And then when you go to wipe it, it'll just stick to the spatula. And it'll peel right off the CPU. It's fucking unbelievably annoying.
Okay, well, this is not working very well. It's just coming off.
You'll get it. It's working. It's just not working well. Like I said, you just need a thin coat across that.
I need you to do this because it's not working.
It doesn't work for me either. Whoa, careful, dude.
Off.
That should be fine. So now this part, can you unhook me? Like, just look at it and laugh. So the whole goal is to make it even, but so the issue is just getting each side started, right? Once it's started, then you just do a few turns on each side, right?
Okay.
So.
And so we want to hook this in before we put this on?
Yeah, I mean, I typically have this down and I install that first.
Okay.
And I usually just kind of let this hang down.
Yeah.
You don't even have a screwdriver ready, do you? What's wrong with you? Like, how do you plan on screwing that?
I was going to tighten it with my fingers.
Oh, okay, you're gonna get your fingers in there, that's fine. Annoying, it's gonna wanna slide around too. So just try to keep it in place as best as you possibly can. Okay, so now you can install the radiator. So here's the screws for the radiator. Right, let me strip these for you real quick. Are you pushing on it? Mm-hmm. See what I mean though? You're literally pushing into the CPU cable, which kind of sucks. Okay, now just screw the rest on.
Yeah.
Okay, so Let's see, aside from the GPU and the SAG bracket, everything is installed. Oh my god, dude, so what, you're just not gonna do this? I gotta do this part? This is the part nobody likes, and this is the most important. So now that I got them kind of spread back apart, and now your computer could actually officially turn on without blowing up. And then this would then run here, and then we'll come down this way, because this is only RGB.
Gizmo. What are you doing? Don't. There's not for the gift. There's not for the gizmo.
Okay. Now this has to plug onto your motherboard. Like, have fun managing this, right? It's so stupid.
A few moments later.
Uh-oh, look at the camera died.
I can't even.
This is just Dude, how long ago did that turn off? Do you even look at it at all? I feel like we're in the middle of doing something else when our camera died. All right, I don't know if this goes in first or not. I mean, obviously we can plug that in just to try it. Fucking useless guy does a shitty ass review. I can't even fucking tell that.
I mean,
Then it's not all the way, yeah, I don't know. Technically, I think this one can work in the corner. It's just gonna be a little funky. Actually, I don't even think it's small enough. Oh my god, Dan. Oh my god.
yeah, they're not taking the film.
Alright. Oh my god. You think it's gonna fire up?
I hope it does. Okay, ready? I got to turn it to the 1.
That's right.
Okay, didn't shock me.
Okay. We didn't break the one rule that makes computers not fire up.
What's that?
Putting the panels back on.
Oh, you ready?
Well, it turned on.
Look, it kind of matches my nose.
So far, so good. Let's see here. All the fans are running. All the lights are on. Okay, your AIO fans just stopped spinning.
No.
They really did. And they just kicked back on.
That's weird.
We're not getting a display yet though. Something's wrong.
That's what's wrong.
Oh, no, there we go.
Didn't do
I think we're good. Let's see.
I like it. It says the business like 36. My stuff on it, right?
There we go. So we're actually up and running right now. The PC's fully built, powered on, and everything's working, which honestly is a win in itself.
We didn't get around to benchmarking, but it is rocking a 3070 and a Ryzen 5 3600. So you already know it's more than ready for 1080p gaming.
I gotta give her credit. Not only did she build her first PC, but she bent CPU pins back into place and fixed a busted USB header. That's commitment.
If you enjoyed watching the chaos and want to see more builds like this,
make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. And yes, the lav mic did get caught again.